In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. This tutorial is designed to help you seamlessly connect these two powerful tools, enabling you to manage your files and projects more efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have set up a connection that allows you to streamline your workflow. To start, you'll need to have an active Notion account, so if you haven't already signed up, make sure you do that first. Once you're in, open up Notion. With Notion open, head to the top right corner of the interface where you'll find the settings icon. This is your gateway to customizing your Notion workspace and integrating it with external applications. Now click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs, but for this tutorial, you want to focus on the Connections tab. This tab allows you to integrate Notion with a range of external platforms, thus enhancing its functionality. After you've entered the Connections page, look for and click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This is where Notion displays all the available third-party integrations that you can add to your account. Here you can explore various tools that can make your Notion experience even more powerful. Once you're in the gallery, you'll need to find the Notion AI connector for Google Drive. Click on it to initiate the integration process. Integrating Notion with Google Drive takes advantage of Google Drive's robust file management capabilities and Notion's organizational prowess, uniting them into a seamless experience that enhances productivity. With the connector open, you'll be prompted to authenticate your Google Drive account. This step ensures that the link between Notion and Google Drive is secure. Follow these authentication steps carefully, granting the necessary permissions for the integration to function properly. Once you've authenticated your Google account, the connection between Google Drive and Notion will be established. The integration allows you to easily embed Google Drive files within Notion pages. You can now effortlessly link documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, keeping all your related resources in one place. This not only aids in organization, but also makes collaboration with team members more efficient, as everyone can access the necessary materials directly from Notion. Remember, successful integration isn't just about connecting the services, it's about enhancing a workflow that suits you and your team's needs. Take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with how seamlessly these platforms now interact. This integration will save you time and help you keep focus by having everything you need available in one consolidated space. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to use Notion and Google Drive more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with tools you already use. Happy